Building large-scale AI factories comes with unpredictable complexity. Before committing massive investments, you need a proving ground that guarantees architectural success. Welcome to the GAIFA, your dedicated AI R&D center and accelerator. So, what is GAIFA? GAIFA, the GIGABYTE AI Factory Accelerator, is our premier AI innovation center. Backed by extensive data and proven experience in AI data center deployment, we offer tailored AI solutions and advanced products. From design and simulation to operations, GAIFA is your trusted advisor and ultimate partner to bring your AI vision to reality. At GAIFA, architecting your ultimate AI infrastructure begins in the virtual world. By uniting our strategic partner ecosystem with the power of NVIDIA Omniverse, DSX Blueprint, we engineer a complete, high-fidelity digital twin of your future facility. We simulate critical variables, from advanced rack layouts to complex thermal dynamics, ensuring a perfect blueprint with zero deployment risks. While the digital twin perfects your architecture virtually, GIGABYTE's professional engineering brings it to life. Inside the GAIFA R&D Center, we leverage our deep hardware innovation capabilities to pioneer a wide array of cutting-edge AI products. We then rigorously stress test and precision validate these physical systems, ensuring your custom AI models deliver ultimate performance. Once initial testing is complete, rigorous data validation takes over. By verifying every metric against massive real-world deployment data, we resolve physical bottlenecks and meticulously optimize your PUE and thermals, delivering peak performance at the lowest possible TCO. Following innovation R&D and meticulous validation, GAIFA translates these blueprints into a comprehensive range of AI products and solutions. We equip your infrastructure at every scale, whether it's flexible bare-bone configurations, fully integrated servers, massive rack-level infrastructure featuring direct liquid cooling, or advanced hybrid cloud clusters that integrate ultra-high-speed node interconnections with seamless software stack deployment. However, where others stop at the cluster, limited by physical infrastructure and environmental bottlenecks, GAIFA delivers the ultimate answer. We provide a comprehensive range of standardized modular data center (MDC) solutions. From rugged Gadu containers to scalable building facilities, we offer ready-to-deploy architectures. Leveraging NVIDIA DSX, our real-to-sim process simulates these full-scale facilities, conquering any infra deployment challenges before they occur. With a diverse range of products and solutions, and every detail perfected with the NVIDIA Omniverse DSX virtual environment, along with ecosystem software providers, the true journey begins, sim to real. GAIFA bridges the gap between digital blueprints and physical reality, grounding your AI vision into operational success. After the physical deployment is complete, comprehensive control becomes paramount. Through the GSM and GPM unified platforms, gain instant, single pane of glass visibility into your active data center. We ensure seamless, real-time data synchronization across diverse cloud environments, making synergy the true soul of your compute. But GAIFA's capabilities extend far beyond the data center. As your professional R&D lab and AI accelerator, we deliver a diverse range of hardware and software solutions tailored to your specific needs. From agentic AI and physical AI to advanced robotics, we flexibly combine different technologies to create your optimal compute architecture. From foundational infrastructure to advanced applications, GAIFA provides a true end-to-end hardware and software total solution. By combining these diverse AI technologies, we are fully equipped to empower different industries and meet their specific AI requirements. Leveraging GAIFA's expert solutions, we help you deploy innovative applications at unprecedented speed, generate lowest cost tokens, and deliver premium compute services to the global market. Enter the GAIFA R&D Center and accelerate your AI future. GIGABYTE, delivering the most professional AI solutions.